Right here at Ray Auto Group in Fox Lake, and just on the road from us, we are at the Spring Grove 4th of July Parade celebration. We've got some of our employees here as well as Jeeps on the run. We've got a bunch of Jeeps in the back of us. We've got some Chevy pickups, Equinox. It's going to be an exciting day for us. We're excited to celebrate with our local community here in Spring Grove.
I want to thank everybody for coming out and joining the Ray Auto Group, Jeeps on the Run, Spring Grove, all the employees, all the people that came out to see us and celebrate this great day. Can't wait to see you guys all next year.